Hi guys, in this video we will try to understand what is Git Rebase and why we use Git Rebase in the first place. So this is going to be a hands-on video. We will work on a scenario to understand what is Git Rebase and why we are using it. Okay, so before we get started, I would like you to just go ahead and subscribe if you like this type of content. I basically upload videos related to programming, cloud technology, DevOps, and all the stuff. So if you like that content, please feel free to subscribe. So yeah, so let's get to the tutorial. So let me explain the scenario what we'll be working on. So I was working on some new feature branch. Okay, so and that feature branch took me a while to complete, and till then the master was kept updating by other developers. Okay, and now when the time comes like to merge the feature branch to master, there was so many the feature branch have so many commits, name, commit messages. So what I want to do is to like get the feature branch and put it at the top of the master branch. So getting all the stuff from master and merging with feature. So basically doing Git Pull and Git merge, but we will be using Git Rebase for that. So basically using Git Rebase, we will basically move my feature branch to the master branch. So let me visualize this overall scenario. So for this I'm using source tree for visualization, and for working with rebasing and all those stuff we will be using VS Code. Okay, so let me go to source tree. In source tree, as you can see, I'm on my master branch. Okay, and as you can see, there is the latest master commit is from Sammy. The ticket is this one. Okay, so this is the latest feature added by Sammy onto the master branch. So if you go to the code part, you can see here that the feature, this one, is added by Sammy. Okay, and if I go to my feature branch, you can see I am on advanced feature ticket 2. Okay, with this file. Okay, it does not contain the commit from Sammy. Okay, now what we're gonna do is to get all the feature branch. So my feature branch is completed. The work which I need to do on the feature branch is completed now. Now what I will do is to get all this commits like sub tickets and this one, and this one. We will get all this, and we will have one commit ID, commit message, and we will put it at the top of the master head, which is this one, the last commit from Sammy. Okay, so we will do this using Git Rebasing, and yeah, so let's see how this will work. So let me go to VS Code. Okay, already showing up. It's feature branch. Now let me rebase that to master. So let me do that. So let me show you what will really happen here. So Git Rebase master. Now as soon as I do that, I will get some conflicts. So the conflict is that in my feature branch I don't have all this ticket. So I don't have the work from Sammy, I don't have work from Brett, I don't have work from Savvy. So I don't have that work in my feature branch. So this is the conflict it is showing. Now for our purpose, we'll be accepting the current changes, because the current changes will have all the commit from other developers in the master branch. Okay, so and also we need the feature branch commit also. So what we're going to do is to, for this scenario, if you don't want the changes, you can just go ahead with the current changes, which will be the latest changes from the master, and it will disregard the changes from the feature branch. But for our case, we need both. So what I'm going to do is to accept both changes. Okay, and I'll save it. And as you can see, the Git conflict message is showing what you need to do to resolve this. So we have basically resolved all the conflicts. Now what we're going to do is to add it. So we will use VS Code for this only. So let me stage these changes, and here is the commit name. One thing to notice here, that you cannot change the commit message here. So you cannot do this because the commit is already added to your branch, the feature branch. Okay, so let me add this, and as soon as I will do it, you can see my feature branch is now at the top of the master branch. So it will have all the features from Sammy, and it will also have the advanced file. Okay, so this is how rebasing really works. I hope you like the video. Yeah, see you next time. Thank you.